how to create Remitly accounts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create a Remitly account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a Remitly account, go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Remitly application here. Once you launch the Remitly app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you just have to go ahead and first of all tap on the continue option. As you've done that, what you need to do is you can see two options: create a new profile. I already have a profile. Since we're trying to create a new account, tap on create profile option. Select a country from where you want to send money, to which you would like to send the country to over here, and after you've done that, you can simply enter your email address and password that you would like to create, and then you can tap the join Remitly option to successfully go ahead and then basically create your Remitly account. This way you'll be able to create Remitly accounts. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.